When first I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With me swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. Another video here. First signal for the day. So it's in my hand. We'll just get rid of that. It's in that squished part there, and I can see it. It's in my hand. Let's see, where are we? That, my friend, is a tiny bit of gold. Just like that. That's all almost gold monster size gold. Found by the 6,000. Alright, let's move on before my battery goes flat. So we got number 2, not far from that. Not far from that first one. And listen to that. Already dug him out. So let's find out what it is. Yeah. Yeah, you guys can see now, so nothing yet. And I think I can see what it is. Oh, no, I thought it was a bit of lead, but that indeed is gold. Gold. There's gold in them clay bits. This sort of spiky bit. Get a close up of that. Look at that. You're a celebrity, mate. Everyone wants ya. Do a meet and greet out in the bush with gold nuggets. Not too shabby. Must be about a 0.2, I reckon. Chucking on the scales when I get home. So I got this tiny little hint of a signal here. Hopefully you can hear that through my headphones. So what happens in this case, because this is a very sandy, kind of gravelly surface, I'll just give that a bit of a scrape, just to take off maybe 10 mil. See if that, there, see how it's perked that signal up. So that tells me two things. Either, the first thing it tells me is it's not a shallow target that's on the surface, like you could get shotgun pellets just sitting on close to the surface. So it tells me that, and it also tells me that we could potentially be more chance of being a gold nugget. So, and it tells me it can be a bigger bit because it's deeper. So however, gold nuggets, rather lead, can actually make its way down deeper as well, so it's not a for sure thing. So I'll actually scrape that a bit more. That's still there. Alright, well, if it's not in this scrape, I'll get the pick out. Alright, this might be a pick job. See you in a second. Okay, so she's out of the hole. If you can call that a hole. More of a scrape. There we go, so she's in the scoop. I reckon it's going to be this thing here. No, maybe not. Thought it would have been a bit of rust. Yeah, there it is. It's in this, which I reckon is a bit of rust. But I'll actually break it open because, yeah, break it open. Give me a second. And I love being wrong sometimes. That was not a bit of rust, it was actually a nice gold picker stuck in conglomerate. But it looks like rust. No way the old timers could have seen that because it just looked like a normal rock. So I just dug out this target, seeing a very trashy, like a bit of rust again, and I just cracked it open. I didn't end up filming it because I thought it was a bit of rust, but cracked it open. And that's what it was. There's no visible gold when I dug it out. It was just, yeah, it just looked like that. I smashed it open. And out comes some beautiful looking gold. Stunning. Amazing. So you can see, yeah, it can fool you. It looks like rust, doesn't it? You just smash it open and yeah, I reckon that's where the old timers were chasing that conglomerate, and they'll take it to the crusher, the stamp battery, and get their booter, their gold. But again, they couldn't have seen this by the eye, so alright. Let's try to find some more before it rains. It's starting to spit. So, fun times. And I've done it again. Found another target. I haven't cracked it open, but I know there's gold in that. So that was where that upper big one was. And that's where I just picked that one up. I think I'm going alright today. It's starting to rain pretty heavy though. I'm gonna pull the pin, go home. Thanks for coming along anyway. I'll keep going if the rain gets too heavy. I don't think I'll film it because I don't want to get my equipment all wet and whatever. But so if I end up at the end, I'll show you what I found with a bit more than what I got on camera. But yeah, anyway, thanks for coming along. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and all the like and subscribe and all that nonsense so you don't miss any of my videos. Welcome to the channel if you're new as well. I love me metal detecting. I got some helpful videos too to help you with the SDC and a few other bits and pieces. So yeah, I'm not just a random YouTuber who, I don't know, is that gold in there? Anyway, I need to get a dolly pot. Make one up. Alright. Thanks for coming along. Ful-O Gold out. So I'm back at home. The weather turned a bit dodgy, but managed to snag a few bits and pieces. Didn't get it on film of course, but it's just getting a bit too wet. And so anyway, got me scale here. Show you what I've got. So I think that's all. I think. Oh, is that one in there? Should probably clean that out. There's probably little bits stuck in, but as you can see, quite a few bits of conglomerate. I'll need to crush these to get a proper weigh in, but hang on, I might be able to pop that one off. Pop it off. I've been popping off. Oh, there she goes. Oh. There we go. Oh, I don't need that anymore. It's a nice little flake. Not little, but anyway. Chuck him on there. Actually, what I'll do... no, actually, I'll just chuck it on there. So, 0.3. There's this one too. I think I found him off camera. Or on camera. I actually can't remember which ones I recorded now. I know this one was off camera. Need to focus. Focus. Why won't you focus? There we go. That's a nice bit. So you're sitting at exactly 0.5 gram already. There we go. So that was 0.6. I am having focusing issues. 0.6. That one. So we're over 1 gram. And there's just signals in these things, but there's a few other bits and pieces here. Throw that on. Throw that on. That one didn't even do anything on the scale. Put that one on. There, here's that one. So, anyway, actually that was one too. That's the sort of gold monster size bit. And plunk. 0.015. That one was, I think. So, very good. These all just need to be crushed. I'll whack them over there. Put all that on the pile. So, getting a bit of a stash up there. So we're sitting at over 1.3, I'm going to say 1.5 grams once you crush these, possibly even 2 grams. So that's not too bad at all for about 4 hours, I reckon, maybe 3.5. Yeah, I got out there around 2 o'clock, whatever. Anyway, it doesn't matter. Fun times. I reckon I've it's covered me fuel anyway. So cheers guys, thanks for watching.